Inhale the arms up and over. Exhale, press the palms down through center. Inhale and set the greeting and intention to flow with the grace of the crane. Inhale the hands out, the backs of the hands are up to shoulder height. Lift one knee. Exhale, set the foot down. Bring the hands down and up through center, overhead, setting them down and lifting the same knee again. Lower the arms, lower the knee. Gently bring the arms up and then down and to the shoulders again as you raise the other knee. Set the knee down. Bring the arms through and up, overhead, and set to the shoulders as you raise the same knee again. Lower the arms, lower the knee. Bring the hands up to the chest. Step out at a 40-degree angle and press the hands forward. Open the arms as you shift the weight back, setting the arms by the shoulders, palms facing out. Bring the foot back to center, the hands by your sides. Bring the hands up again. Step out to the other side, pressing forward. Shift back, open the arms at the shoulders, palms face out. Lower the arms, bring the feet back to center. One more time. Step forward, pressing the arms forward. Feel the strength. And then feel as if you're a crane as you open the wings and shift your weight back. And then settle down, feet side by side. We'll repeat one more time on the other side. Step forward as you press the arms out. That extension of the crane's wings, that opening as you shift your weight back. Bring the feet back side by side and settle. Raise one arm up. The other comes palm down by the hip. Step on the toe on the side of the arm that is raised, gently gazing below your hand. This beautiful crane spreading its feathers. Breathe gently. Feel the strength in the standing leg, the toe barely touching. Shift the weight back to center and bring the other hand up and over, lifting it above the head, gazing softly underneath the arm, the other hand down by the hip of the supporting leg. The toe gently touches on the arm that is raised. On the side of the arm that is raised. Breathe, feeling the sun shining on your feathers like a crane, and settle down to center. Inhale, lift the arms up. The hands come over. Exhale, palms down through center.